This is the trader review for Friday, the 19th of April 2024. And today on Tesla, we had continuation of the drop. We had set value lower, and we had weaker Camarilla pivots, and we were opening within fairly good range. No, not this. This one is fine. We were opening in the middle of the range, so I knew the open was gonna be more calm than yesterday. Yesterday I took a couple of trades in a rush, so I tried today to be more patient, but I kind of overdo it because once we round to R3, we had this strong rejection of 151, and we attempted to go back up once more, but then I failed to pull the trigger. And pulling the trigger here will have been my trade for today. But today we traded in a bracket, and as you can see, we respected the gray area, and we traded between yesterday's value and the gray area, and yesterday's low of the range. So it's been trading within this range. So I failed to make an entry first time, and then I got baited into taking a trade. This is not a good trade, the first one, because it's still within overlapping price action. If this is truly a neutral market day, I have to wait for the top range to at least be tested or make as high on the range as possible, and this is still within overlapping action. So of course I get stopped out to the penny, and then we form a doji here, although it has a solid, a fairly solid red body, and I made my entry here, and it wasn't that bad. Actually gave me 3 to 1 right here, but I failed to pull the trigger. I did place an order at 148.80, but it came within 2 cents of being triggered, and I shouldn't have been so ambitious, because 148.87 was enough, but I was just clawing for a few cents more, and as you can see, we had we rejected, but once more back again to the top side, and I had to get out of break even. So I wasn't too happy about that. And then so after that, I'm a bit I don't know what to do. We had a nice rejection here, 150.50, and if I had made my entry here, I would have been safe for a while actually, because this doesn't even come to test my stop loss if I were to place an order here. So I guess I was just afraid of taking the trade. I didn't focus too much on the market structure, but it was definitely a bracket. And so I missed the entry, and I pulled the trigger here, which is a bit late, but still gave me the opportunity to move a little bit down. But then, of course, it comes to stop me out. And yeah, I noticed that the 5 minutes closing with some selling pressure, and that we finally failed to go to 151. Volume was very low, so had I waited a little more, I would have been able to make an entry here instead at very close to the highs, and just continue trading this. It has been a bracket, so I'll be disappointed with my trade management, with my entries, but respecting my rules and understand exactly what I did wrong. So yesterday and today not so good. I also sleep time this time. The morning routine could have been a bit better. I had an excellent pre-market prep. Respect the stop loss. And what else? Respect the max loss. I did not hit gold today. One. This trade was excellent, but I failed, so that's 1-1, and 2-1 and 2 and 2. 33% execution again, and minus 2.1. So yeah, I'm not too happy about this week. Hold on, let me see this trade. This was a traverse. Yes, and um, this is very frustrating because this second trade actually gave me 3-1. I'm gonna start this day, this new data set. Creating the trade after missing out. Due to bad trade management. This one was anticipating so yeah, that's it from my review today. Not very happy with my performance today. I guess I was trying too hard to get profits today, but I think I need to understand the amount of the pressure that I experience and how it affects my trading. Today kind of got to me, and I didn't want the hesitation of not wanting to lose money is what made me not pull the trigger on the first 4 minutes of the open, and that's when it started to pile on the next trades where I tried to anticipate a little. So, uh, so yeah, there is not much I can do right now, but I'm keeping track of everything and making sure that I'm ready to go back live again soon. But yeah, that's it for me today.